watching Enviro Annotations Productions on YouTube. The National Green Tribunal has delivered a significant judgment for mining projects. The tribunal said that in geotectonic area, that is, fragile area ecologically, mining activities must not be allowed without proper study of seismic impact on the ecology and environment. Else, the consequences will be very serious. The bench, comprising Judicial Member Justice Sudhir Agrawal and Expert Member Dr. Afroz Ahmad, stated this in its judgment delivered in Original Application Number 78 of 2023, in the matter of Durga Singh Pawar vs. State of Uttarakhand and others. The case pertains to illegal mining activities and environmental damage in the disaster-prone village of Bajeta, in Uttarakhand. The tribunal observed that the district magistrate, P. Thurgar, mechanically permitted mining activities, and the State Environment Impact Assessment Authority of Uttarakhand granted environmental clearance without considering seismic studies or the environmental feasibility of mining in a geotectonically sensitive area. The tribunal has directed a comprehensive review of all mining activities within Uttarakhand's geotectonic zones over the next 4 months. Mining may proceed thereafter only if permitted, with or without precautionary conditions. The NGT set a deadline of 15th March 2025 to complete this review. The study of geotectonic zones by seismology experts before allowing any mining activities shall be a condition applied pan-India, and for this purpose, the NGT has directed communication of the judgment to the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and all Chief Secretaries of different states and union territories, and also State Environment Impact Assessment Authorities and Union Territory Environment Impact Assessment Authorities. In the matter, the tribunal concluded that JD Minerals, by violating environmental norms, caused substantial environmental degradation through unauthorized mining and deforestation. The tribunal noted that although penalties were imposed by forest and mining authorities, no environmental compensation for ecological damage has been assessed or levied on JD Minerals to date. The tribunal has imposed a total fine of 6,53,30,000 rupees that must be deposited within 2 months. The authorities have to file compliance report by 15th February 2025. The judgment, reserved on 28 May 2024, was pronounced on 8 November 2024 by Justice Sudhir Agrawal. That's all in this episode. We will come back with another one. Till then, bye-bye.